Okay, for lesson one, we're going to create the seat and the grille since we've done the other parts. So standard metric, we're going to create that part. Start 2D sketch. Now the seat's on the floor of the Jeep, so we'll go there. We'll do a 2-point center rectangle again, and the seat is 25 wide. Go tab to get to the next dimension box, and it's 68. That's the width of the Jeep. So that is our seat. We need to finish the sketch so then we can extrude it. So we'll click extrude. It's the only surface, so it automatically does that, and it's 19 millimeters thick. Okay, so that is our seat. I'm just going to quickly save that in our folder. Rename it seat. That's done. Let's do the grille. File, new. Metric, standard, create. Start a new sketch. So now the grille is on the front, so I'm going to choose the front plane. It's a rectangle. Let's do that rectangle again. And the Jeep's 68 wide. Tab to the height. The height of the grille is 64. So that is our grille. Now we need to do those fillets on the side at 3 mil. I'm going to change that 2 to a 3. Select that side, and the other corner. So that's our grille. Finish sketch. Extrude, and that's 19 millimeters. Nothing else to do on the grille. File, save as. Mr. Grill. So that is our seat and our grille for lesson 1.